So then basically, imagine like, I don't know, some kind of sword and a stone like that. And then there's like some kind of guy, Corn Man, remember Corn Man from like, I don't know, a previous video? Yeah, he's here. He's cool, and he's still cool. But then he's like a spirit now, like a wind thing. And prophecy says that, a legendary hero will save, Corn Man from being a spirit to a good guy and save all the corn people from death. And then he people said he looked like that. But then yeah, but then bad guys, I don't know, Bert the Prophecy is gone now, so yeah. But then it spent like 1,000 years, no one picked up the sword. That sucks. Yeah, 1,000 years later, and yeah. And then Corn Man was just gone. Yeah, it's gone. But after like 1,000 years, they made some kind of belly jelly factory, to make belly jelly. And then this guy, this is like this guy, he's a new guy. He's like, why is there a sword in the middle of the belly jelly factory? And a security guard came in and was like, because why not? And then the guy was like, what? I want to pick the sword up. And I was like, yeah, you're right. It's too heavy, man. You can't pick up that awesome sword. It's too heavy. And they picked it up like it was nothing. And then they were like, whoa, cool sword, man. Cool sword. It's so cool. And then the circuit was like, what? Okay, I will kill you now. And then he killed the security guard because he wanted to. Security guard was decapitated because the sword's super cool, super cool. And then a bunch of other security guards came in and was like, "You killed bad guy. We will kill you because we want to." Okay. And there's like a bunch of security guards. A bunch of security guards. And then he was like, he did I don't know, a sword spin like that. And then there's like ultimate, I don't know, a fight. Those that fights you see in like, I don't know, anime. Yeah, that's awesome. He's like stab, cool. But then one security guard, I mean all the security guards, kind of like threw a rock and they hit him hard, like bam, bam. But then that like caused like a kind of world to explode, and the sword went down on the ground, and he fell on the ground like, geez, that was painful, and he lost his helmet too. And then all the guys were like broken because I don't know, they exploded. So then it was bad. But then Corn Man came in and was like, hey, you're the chosen one, dude. You chosen one. You the chosen one. But then I don't know. The guy was like, "Well, I'm no chosen one. I'm just a new worker guy. Here, have sword. You kill boss now, so I can become no longer spirit form, and I will become guy now. Yes." And then the guy was like, do I get paid?" And Corman was like, "Sure, whatever." And then he was like, "Wow, it was awesome. Who's gonna get paid?" Until yeah, so he went back to the office to kill the bad guy. You know. So then, so then, yeah, there's a scene, right? Right? But then you realize there was a security guard waiting. He was a trap because he had a gun. Security guard was like, "Her, I'll shoot you with a gun. If you don't throw that sword down, I'll shoot with a gun." And then the guy was like, "Oh, okay then." So he dropped the sword because he didn't want to die. And then the boss man lifted the sword and was like, "What's up, man? I'll kill you." But then the sword was not meant for, I don't know, the boss uh, because yeah, it's only meant for the chosen one. So then the sword, because then that caused the world to like explode to like a big block. You can, boom, everything died. Everything's dead. Everything's dead. But then the Jelly Bean Man was not dead yet. Only the guy and the Jelly Man fight to the death. And then they fought to the death because that's what they do. And then they just clash and stuff. Yeah, it's cool. And then he killed Jellybean guy because so it's cool. And they're like, "Wow, good job, you won." And then Corn Man came and took it. So they went back downstairs, and then apparently the world wasn't dead. So then yeah, and then Corn Man was like, "Wow, good job, you saved the world. I'm proud of you. Here, have $20." And then he gave him like $20 because Corn Man's a nice guy. He I met him. Remember last time? Yeah, I met him at Walmart once. Pretty neat. He gave him $20. Neat, right? Yeah. End.